Hello friends, today we will be talking about and discussing this wonderful book called The Burned Shadow by famous writer Kamila Shamsie. Let me tell you friends, I met this wonderful writer on few occasions, and I attended almost all the Kalam series that she's organizing in Qatar, in Georgetown, Qatar, and she's a writer residence in Qatar. So whenever I see and whenever I had the opportunity to visit her and to see her and to listen to her, I almost attended all of the Kalam series, except few earlier I was not aware, or I was not I was not around. So she's a wonderful lady. It is wonderful to listen to her, and when she's talking in English, when she's asking, and when she's inquiring about the writer's life, and when she's in other writers, she's with other writers. It's wonderful to watch. It's a thing of beauty actually. So. She's a wonderful soul. I met her, and I'm looking forward to meet her again on some possible occasions. So this is a wonderful book. You must try. It talks about family, a Japanese family. So in Japanese, there is a traditional dress which is called kimono, and the woman is wearing the kimono. And when the nuclear bomb was dropped on Japanese, so she survived, and she survived the bombing, but the scar and the shadow and the but on her body, the design of kimono was marked on her body for a long time. So it was on her body. So that's why perhaps that's why it's called the burned shadow. So, Dr. Kamila Shamsie has written a lot of novel, and let me read out few which is described here. She has a list of novels she has written. So, In the City by the Sea, Salt and Saffron, Cartography, Broken Verses, A God in Every Stone, Home Fire, Best of Friends. And another book which is not listed here, which I was reading and read. It's not a very lengthy book and not a very bulky book. It's a very small, tiny research work. It says Offense, the Muslim Case. Basically, it's a series. This is ma'am's friend Salil Tirupati has written Offense, the Hindu Case, and where he talks about the violence and offense among the Hindu community. So likewise, and on the same pattern, she has written Offense, the Muslim Case, where she talks about the history of offense and how Muslim takes offense, and the religious reason behind the offense. So it was wonderful to read that book as well. And it's a wonderful book. Basically, what I see Dr. Ma'am Kamila Shamsie not as a just a novel writer, as a novelist, but I find she's a historian as well. When I was reading Offense, the Muslim Case, I realized she is very well informed and well educated, and I think history is her favorite subject. So in that book, Offense, the Muslim Case, she talks about the partition, the Sir Syed Ahmad and Aligarh and Muslims and Muslim League, and here as well. When I was reading, I was really taken aback, and I was surprised to see how meticulously she described Delhi, and how wonderfully she has mentioned the civil lines, the red forts, the old Delhi. It's a wonderful to see the Connaught Palace. She is basically, I think she might be a global citizen, but she is well aware about Delhi than any other city as well. So I was really surprised to see how she described Delhi and how she described the area around Delhi. And it is a wonderful book. It talks about, as I told you, the Japanese woman and her journey. Her name is Hiruka Tanaka, and she loves Conrad. The Conrad dies in the bombing. So she arrives Delhi looking for Conrad's family. It's a pre-partition era, and here she meets Sajjad, a Muslim man, and she learns Urdu from him, and they fall in love. They get married. Then they both have son, which is called Raza Ashraf. And then the 9/11 happens, and that boy goes to US, and where he has some trouble there as well. So it's a long history. It's a basically it talks about It talks about the global conflict, the loneliness, and the identity crisis. So it's a wonderful book. Please try. And I think we all learn. We all must learn from the Kamila ma'am's writing style, and we all look forward to listen to her more, to read from her, and to see what next coming for her. Thank you very much.